Hello, besties. Welcome once again to the Christy Sub channel. Today, let's talk about how to make cool cash at least 3K daily creating beautiful flyers with just a single prompt. Flyers like this with AI, just like this, this. So you can see they are very beautiful flyers on this. So join me as we go into creating a very simple flyer that can fetch you at least 3K daily when you create for people, for yourself, for businesses, just by prompting it with Gemini. Use your Gemini app, download it from Play Store, or you go to your Chrome browser to access the Gemini site. And you can also use Nano Banana, the Nano Banana Pro. If you have the Gemini Pro, you'll be able to access your Nano Banana from Gemini. So let's dig into it. So this is what I did. I went to Chat GPT to get my prompt for that particular flyer. So this is it. I use this icon. I uploaded the flyer I want to design using the icon highlighted just now with I uploaded it to Chat GPT and I told Chat GPT this. So you must learn how to find your way in Chat GPT so you get good prompt. So this is what I told Chat GPT. So I said, after uploading the flyer, I said, please, I need a detailed prompt for this flyer suitable for Gemini Nano Banana for a lady. The flyer aspect ratio should strictly be 1:1 and maintain the feature of the person. Thanks. So this is Chat GPT's reply. It says, sure thing, pardon me. Here is a Gemini optimized detail 1:1 aspect ratio prompt. So this is what it gives me. From here, you can see prompt, everything, a very detailed prompt that is divided into 6 sections. So after getting the prompt, I took it to Gemini, and this is my Gemini here. I'm using the site. I have a pro version of Gemini, that which you can get access to when you subscribe for 1 year access. If you're a student in Nigeria, you can get Gemini Pro for 1 year access. So the video is on our channel already. Kindly watch it and get yours if you don't have the Gemini Pro. So this is it. You can see it's a Pro version. So when you open your Gemini, you just click on create image. This is the symbol of the Nano Banana. You can see it there. You click on create image. Then you tap on it. So let's see the one I've created before. This is it. So I copied the prompt and I bought it here. So you can see. So I first of all, using this icon, I uploaded my image, the first image, which is this one. This is the reference flyer. And this is the photo of the lady and I want to create the flyer for. So I imputed the prompt. So let's see. Let me just show you the way I did it. When you click on the plus icon, it will ask you to upload your picture. So you choose from where you want to upload it. So I use WhatsApp. So this is it. You select it. Then you also add, click on the plus icon again. You also add the photo you want to use in designing your birthday flyer, your anniversary flyer, any flyer you want to design, business flyer, anyone you want to design. So you upload the image you want to use. So I'm using this image. This is the image I choose. So upload both. This is the prompt I copied from ChatGPT. So you just copy it. You can just copy it again. Then you paste it here. You paste it. So everything from A to Z, create everything. You make sure you tell Nano Banana the aspect ratio you want the design to be. Once you have done that, go over your prompt very well. First check it if the details are correct, after which you then click on this icon, this send icon below your screen. This icon below your screen that is pointing to the right, you click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for some time and your design will be created. And after creating, we got this flyer design. Isn't this beautiful? So this is simple birthday flyer design that you can create for anybody. You can create for yourself, you can create for people, depending on how much you want the person to pay you. You can easily make 3K creating flyer for people daily. So with just a simple prompt, you can create a beautiful flyer like this for yourself, for people, for businesses, for events, and you get paid for it. If you want to print it, it's printable. You can see it's very beautiful. If you're still watching this video till this extent, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button to like this video. Give me a nice comment so you encourage me to create more of this kind of video. Without learning graphic design, with AI, you can now create any design of your choice. You can see how beautiful it is. I love it. So thanks for watching till this extent. Don't forget to share with family and friends, and see you in our next one. God bless you.